Dynamic Web TWAIN is a browser-based document scanning SDK designed to supercharge your web applications with lightning-fast, accurate, and scalable scanning capabilities. The SDK allows you to create a unified scanning experience that works consistently across platforms. Your users can enjoy a streamlined scanning process from within all mainstream browsers on Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and now Android. By leveraging the power of the ESCL protocol, which is supported by most multifunctional printers, Dynamic Web TWAIN now enables scanning via Android devices and Chromebooks. No more dealing with complicated installations or managing device-specific drivers. Simply connect your wireless devices, and you're ready to scan documents effortlessly. To further simplify the integration process, we've extended the Dynamsoft service to the Android platform and Chrome OS. The background service acts as a bridge between your web applications and the scanners. Ready to get started? You can find the APK in the Google Play Store and have a try. Make sure that your scanner and mobile device are connected to the same network. Select your desired scanning device and scan documents effortlessly. Once scanned, you can edit the images, save them locally, or upload them to a server, whatever suits your application's needs. And remember, Dynamic Web TWAIN respects your privacy. All image data stays on-premise and no data is sent to our servers. By integrating Dynamic Web TWAIN into your web applications, you empower your users to take full control of the scanning experience, regardless of the platform they're using. Digitize documents with ease and unlock the true potential of document management and archival. Experience the power of Dynamic Web TWAIN today and revolutionize the way you incorporate scanning capabilities into your web applications.